First open a browser and type here Android Studio download. And click the Android download Android Studio. Now click on the Android download Android Studio Hedgehog. And accept the terms and condition. Click here. I have read and agree with above terms and condition. And now click on download Android Studio Hedgehog. Now download has completed and click here to open file or go to the folder and double click here. Click on next button and select both Android Studio and Android virtual device. Click on next and click on next and click on install. Now click on next button and start Android Studio. Click on finish. And click on do not import setting and press OK button. Click on send usage and statistics to Google. This is your choice. You can click on don't send or send. Click on next. Click on standard and press next button. Or a big internet data. Click on next button. And now click on Android SDK licenses and click on this accept radio button. Yes. And click on Android SDK preview licenses and click on accept radio button. And now click on Intel Android extra licenses and click on accept button. And now click on finish button. This process seems to have stopped, but please wait. And click on yes. And now click on yes button. And now click on finish button. in this process took about 30 minutes. Now create on new project and select empty views activity. If you select empty activity, that is for Jetpack Compose and support only Kotlin. And if you are beginner, then select empty views activity, and both language Kotlin and Java supported. So select empty views activity and click on next and give the project name here. My application. And give the package name here and select the save location and select the language here, Java or Kotlin. I am selecting Kotlin and click on finish. In this process takes some times and required internet data, a big internet data, almost 10 GB with high speed. And now our app is ready, and this is layout folder, driver and our activity main. Now test the app and click here and run the emulator. And allow the some process. Now app is running perfectly. Now Android Studio installation process complete.